this video, I will be showing you how to download and install AvanTax eForms. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will assume that you have already purchased the software from either our online store or a sales representative. If you have not purchased the software yet, please visit our website, avantax.ca, for more information. eForms is available on the Downloads page of the AvanTax website. This page is reachable by clicking the link in your order confirmation or by going to avantax.ca/eForms and clicking Download eForms. The Downloads page will always have the most recent release of eForms shown at the top with the link Download Current Version. Also available on the Downloads page is the trial version of eForms and a link to the downloads for previous year's versions of the software. To start the download, click Download Current Version. After the download is complete, the installer file will be located in your Downloads folder. If you do not know where that is, most web browsers have an option to view recent downloads. To begin the installation, run the eForms setup exe. Running the file will open an install wizard. It will provide you with instructions on what to do for each step. Choose the language and click OK to continue. Once you get to the step labeled Setup Type, the wizard will ask you whether you are using a workstation or network administrator installation. For this tutorial, we will use the workstation installation. Once the install wizard is complete, choose to launch eForms and click Finish. We will stop here for now. Thank you for listening to this AvanTax eForms Quick Help video tutorial. For more information, please visit our website at avantax.ca/eForms.